Hi dolls! Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be doing a quick lang get to know me / get ready with me a video. So, first reason why I'm doing this is to give you a background of why I'm doing all this and what you might expect from this channel because as you know and mapapansin nyo rin siguro, bago lang ako in all of this. And get to know me while I'm getting ready. So I'll be getting ready for my work na lang to. Since I'm working from home, super mabilis lang, the regular look na pwede mong ipang pamalengke. Ayun. So, it's just a regular look gagawin natin today. Ayun. So, let's get started. Siguro first question or first thing rather that I would like to let you guys know is how did all this conceptualization started? Paano ko naisip? Bakit ko naisip? And everything. So, una siguro I'm really a chatterbox na hindi ko na ilalabas lately kasi nga siguro it's all, pandemic and everything. So, actually, having this YouTube channel has been tagal ng plan. As in years na siya na plano. It's just that hindi lang nagagawa siguro at the time. I really can tell bakit hindi siya nagagawa. Pero tagal na, as in matagal na siyang plano. Pero yun, matagal na siyang plano. Tapos, siguro I did not know how to start. Hindi ko sure kung, alam mo yun, yung mga normal doubts that you would hear kapag mag-start ka pa lang in something new to you. So yun, again, it's been years naman na iniisip kong mag-start ng vlog. But I never really got the chance na i-pursue. So, now that we're just working from home, mas may time ako. Hindi naman mas may time actually, wala pa rin time. Ang weird no, kung kailan naka-work from home ka. Ay, parang kailangan gawin. Ang dami pa rin work na kailangan tapusin. The bahay. Yung ang weird lang. One of my inspirations talaga was Jamie. Hi, Jamie. I don't know if makakarating tong video na to sa'yo, but you were one of the inspirations sa akin. Aside from yung mga batikan sa vlogging. So, ayan sila. Actually, si Alodja, isa pa yan sa idol ko. Kasi nga, kaya niyang balansehin diba? Yung parang hindi niya kailangang i-upload lahat and it's okay. So, gusto ko yung ganun sana. Yun yung gusto ko sana ma-achieve na hindi ko kailangang i-document pero just enough na makakapag-share pa rin ako ng information, ideas. Then, magiging helpful pa rin naman ako sa buhay ng ang mga viewers natin. Yung ganun. Hindi man makatulong, maging entertaining naman ako sa viewers natin. Tapos, isa pa na naging inspiration is si Lloyd. Actually, nung nawala si Lloyd last year, may his soul, rest in peace. Nung nawala siya last year, naisip ko, what if mag-start na ako ng vlog? Kaso, parang ayoko namang magmukhang nag-aano ko dun sa situation niya. So, parang at the same time, parang na-off din ako. Parang hindi na lang siguro. Hindi ko na lang itaon. Tapos biglang, ang unang vlog ko pa is parang tribute kay Lloyd. Kasi actually, last year, and hindi lang last year actually, I already made several videos. Tapos, naisip ko, what if i-launch ko na nga nung nawala si Lloyd. Kasi parang sabi ko, ang pangit naman kung baka magmukha naman akong nag-ano lang sa trend niya, yung ganun. Hindi naman maganda yung news, diba? So, sabi ko, hindi na nga lang muna. Pass na lang muna. Let's look for another chance para mag-launch or maybe kapag nakakuha na ako ng drive ko ngayon sa launch. So, yeah. So, again, it's a long time, parang matagal na siyang plano. Hindi lang talaga tututukan. Hindi lang din siguro kasi priority. And ko dito na weirdo na ako kasi nag-color ako a few days ago. Epic fail. Pero yan, maaayos din natin yan. So yun, it's a long time plan and I do hope na samahan niyo ako sa journey ko through all these new things sa YouTube world and journey sa mga magiging content. So, ayun. And I did mention din kanina, diba? I've been filming videos since last year. So, I already have several. This is not the first video that I've made. And then, na-realize ko, I'm comfortable doing it actually. I'm comfortable doing it. Nung una, syempre, medyo nakakailang na konti. Pero over time, parang ano din siya magiging outlet mo din talaga. So that's something that I need, especially dito nga pandemic. I really can't reach out to my friends, and knowing that I'm such a chatterbox. Wala akong paglabasan ng mga ng mga ideas ko, mga kwento ko. Yes, of course, we are all trying to mind our own business, diba? Mga parang syempre I wanna give my friends some space, let them do their, their responsibility and everything. Hindi ako masyadong visible. Pero hindi naman. Kasi visible naman ako whenever needed. So, I check up on my friends naman. Pero hindi lang ako yung makulit na magkukwento lagi. Kasi nga, may kanya-kanya tayong pinagdadaanan. Stays. Kasi, if mo ako, parang kasama mo ako, kunyari sa office, talagang andaldal ko, yung tipong wala nagtatanong, magkukwento ako. Hashtag yung mga makaka-relate dyan, hashtag relate. So, I don't know. Talagang ma-share lang ako. And conversation starter. Ayan, mga ganong paanda. So, comfortable akong gawin siya. Hindi ako naiilang. Hindi rin ako nape-pressure at the same time na kailangan sobrang ganda ng content ko. Yung parang in a way, syempre taking the advice from the mga seasoned YouTubers, diba? Parang take it one step at a time. You will find naman the content that really fits you. Ganon. So, yun lang yung ginawa ko rin. And ayun, so far, in fairness, I'm really comfortable doing it. And I feel like I have something to share na useful naman for everyone. So, I hope ma-appreciate niyo yung mga ma-share ko. And let me know kung meron akong mga pwede pang i-share na gusto nyo malaman, yung mga ganyan. Siguro kasi, if you would see how my channel will go, or kung ano man yung may expect nyo sa channel ko, for now, what I have in store for the channel is that I'm gonna focus on, actually, gusto ko sana beauty, lifestyle, and travel. But since travel is not an option muna for now, siguro the makeup na lang muna and the lifestyle. When I say makeup, mga cute lang na videos, mga glam works, inyo kasi na itatanong, sabihin ko pa rin naman kahit hindi kayo nagtatanong, nag-freelance ako na makeup artist for a few months. So I have background naman sa makeup and I think I can share a few tricks inyo. It's just that, disclaimer, hindi ako yung sobrang seasoned na makeup artist ha. Kasi parang nung nag-makeup artist ako a few months, nagka-pandemic, ko na maalala yung timeline. Pero yun, hindi ako talaga nagkaroon ng super daming clients. I only have a few. Honest lang tayo dito. I only have a few clients talaga. But I definitely learned so much dun sa experience ko. And let's see kapag tapos ng pandemic if I'm going back to that career path. Pero yun, sobrang dami ko natutunan sa pagiging HMUA. So, for the makeup part, yung part ng makeup dito sa vlog ko. And then, lifestyle. Kasi, ang dami kong gustong gawin na hindi ko nagagawa. So, I thought of maybe creating this segment where I post the journey ko, the learning new things. Like, I'm currently in the process working on journey ko for weight loss. And so, doon, mas marami pang details. Then, siguro journey ko on how to learn whatever, yung ganon. So, I hope na makakasama ko kayo during all this improvements or personal improvements that I'm trying to achieve. Tapos yun sa travel, kasi travel naman sobrang cute pa lang naman yung napuntahan ko, and it's something na gusto ko rin naman talagang gawin. So let's see, after the pandemic, maybe we could try travel vlogs, and that would be very exciting kasi lahat tayo medyo gustong-gusto nang lumabas, diba? Nakakabis din ang outside world. Let me just do my wingtip. I need to focus on this one. Ito yung staple ko. Ayan. So, let's focus lang very quick. Chill lang. Ano lang naman. Work from home. And I just wanted to achieve a simple look lang that you can wear going sa mall. Okay, again sa travel, maybe I'll focus on the Philippines muna. Let's see kung anong magiging peg. And then, all this is going to be a learning process for me pag go through the YouTube channel, kung paano siya ma-manage, ano ba yung content na gusto kong makita or i-share sa inyo. So, sobrang learning process for me. I'm all new to this. Again, there's quite a few things that I would like to learn talaga. And I hope to have you guys there on my journey for personal improvement. Kasi, don't stop learning. I dearly hold on to yung sa outro ko. May verse doon, Proverbs 3, 5 to 6. Lean not on your own understanding. Kasi nga, whichever is true sa time mo might be different sa truth ng time ng iba. Diba? So, kanya-kanyang time kasi yan and we'll never know kung saan magtutugma kayo, baka hindi kayo magtugma at all. Kasi nga, it really differs for everyone, diba? So, talagang I hold on to that word, lean not on your own understanding. Ayun, so again, ang dami kong gustong matutunan. Siguro isasama ko rin yung pag-aaral ko ng Nihongo. Kasi gusto ko matutong mag-Nihongo. I started ng pandemic, kaso hindi ko natapos. Ano lang ako, parang few na lines lang sa hiragana, tapos napastop ako. Pero let's see. I hope I'd find the time and the energy again. And I think doing all this will help me then give me a little more push on things that I would like to do. And almost done na ako sa mall look. Yan. Your lips, parang okay lang naman. Mamask ka lang naman, diba? Hindi, pero ang usapan pala is everyday na makeup. And actually, papasa to as everyday makeup ko even sa office. Ang go-to ko, ang pang everyday ko lagi is Ever Belena na LTD. In love ako sa kanya. I don't know why. Pero gusto ko yung texture niya. This is skinny dip. Pero nagustuhan ko talaga siya as in. I don't know why. But it's one of the brands na binalikan ko talaga sa pagdating sa lips. Ayun, di ba ang natural look lang niya? So this is my natural look. Parang everyday look lang. Siguro for meetings, for going out, quick grocery and what have you. Let's see if my hair messy ng hair ko. And I know madaming makaka-relate, ang dami ng overdue ang salon ang mga salon plans natin, but it's pandemic, as much as possible talaga huwag na tayong lumabas. Kaya ako napilitang magkulay on my own and look what happened. Ang weird. Isa sa go-to ko talaga na hairdo is the bun. Kasi it's timeless. It's classic. Sa likod ko lang siya nilalagay. If you'd like to know kung paano yung proper way to make a bun, let me know. Try nga natin kung may kisamang hair ko. Hindi siya nakikisama. Bangit ng bangs. But let's see. Let's try and make it work. Guys, here's my quick makeup lang for everyday na paandar. Tapos, I hope na I got my message across naman on why I'm doing all this. And I hope na makasama ko kayo sa journey ko through all of this, the YouTube world. Ayan, so, ayun lang. Thanks for watching and I hope I still see you in the next video. Bye, doll.